Hi there. Recently, I joined a group on a mineral collecting tour in the Niagara region. The quarry is rich in many minerals. In this video, I will share with you what I collected. We will look at some of them under black UV light as well. I think the first part I will focus on calcites, and we'll look at different calcites in different colors and shapes and under 365 nanometer UV light. Here is a famous Canadian rock hounding guy, Jeff. Where's the me miner? He's not here yet. Yeah. I spent whole night watching you guys' videos. I am on a mineral collecting trip in Niagara region, and this place is very rich with crystals. I think I find a piece here. Look at this. I think this is a good one. Look, this crystal is so big. I will keep it. This thing is called vug. It's a formation of calcite. In this location, the mineral that we collected the most are calcites. Calcites are very abundant in this location. Sometimes calcites can show influences colors under UV light. Let me turn off the light to show you what it looks like. Okay, I'm turning off the light. Now I have turned on the UV light. This is the same piece, calcite rock, and I'm turning on my UV light. I believe it's called a UV black light. Maybe it's 365 nanometers. Can you see in this area it's very red? In this area it's more like it's not so red, it's more towards the grayish blue color, and some other area it's just showing the white color. So even under UV light, different colors are emerging in different areas. This is a different piece of calcite. The normal color is off-white. I'm going to turn off the light and show you what it looks like. When it's exposed to UV light, the calcite itself, it is still off-white with a little bit of orange hue, but there is a band which is blue. I wonder why. What kind of a mineral this could be. Now I'm turning the light back on, and this is the band which was blue under UV light. Does anybody know why? This is a little one. Even though it is small, I think it's very interesting because it reminds me of a porcupine, like the animal with all those little spikes, and the spikes are so uniform. So I still think it's a keeper. When the crystals are unearthed and exposed to the sunlight, they would get bleached out, and that piece you're looking at is almost white. Maybe you can say ivory white. This is the biggest specimen I collected. Normally, I would not take a big piece because I cannot really carry it. It's so heavy. But this one is interesting. I think this one, there was a little thing, it looks like a cave. I think it's called a vug. And the crystals are well formed with all the points. So I took it home. Normally, I don't collect big specimens because I just cannot carry them with all the injuries in my body. This is the biggest piece I decide to take home. I hope it's worth it. So thanks for watching, and let's meet in another video. Thank you. Bye-bye.